I told you I wasn't gonna do it. Then I told you I was gonna do it. And now we're doing it! 700 subscriber play button, here we come! Welcome to Warped Legacy. This thing is outdated. It only says 500 subscribers. So, in honor of passing 700 subscribers, in honor of my triumphant return to YouTube. Yes, I'm going with triumphant return. And in honor of launching Red Castle Supply Company, where you can get top quality handmade soaps, top quality handmade multifunction balms, and top quality handmade beard oils. Available at redcastlesupply.com. Oh, that smells good. This black one smells like grapefruit. And I promise I'm not going to turn every video into a Red Castle Supply commercial, but it's relevant. I am going to make a soap play button. It's back here. So let's get in the kitchen and start making some soap. So first off, got to figure out how I'm going to make the little triangle in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I have my regular mold here. And I'm going to take this piece of cardboard, tape it in there, about like that. And then I'm going to fill this section. I use a trash bag to make it watertight. Then I'm just going to stuff this back under here to kind of give it a little bit more support. If I do that like that and pour in here, we should be good. Alright, let's get the oil started. This coconut oil is delicious. Alright, now we just gotta wait for that to melt. Take this and dump it in here. And take the lye and dump it in. Then this is going to be the actual play in the center, but I'm going to do it reverse. So the center is going to be red, and the outside is going to be white. And to dye it, I've got cool. We'll see if this works at all. It smells like Kool-Aid. Hey, we're even at trace. It's actually starting to thicken up pretty quick, so I'm not gonna waste any time. There we go. Now we gotta let that harden up. It looks like I filled it with ketchup. It's definitely not ketchup. Alright, time to start warming up the outside. Now we're going to measure out half of the lye that we need. Now we're going to measure out half the oil. Now we're going to let that harden for a bit until it gets gooey. Alright, first half set for a little while. It's getting kind of gooey. So now we're going to start on the second half. Now I just gotta wait for it to set up. So The top layer changed color, which means at least the top layer has hardened up. So I'm going to open it up and check, because I did this one different than I normally do. So I'm not 100% sure how it's going to be inside, because I've never done this 2-layer thing. Usually when it gets to this point, I open it up and then let it cool a little bit more before I slice it. But I'm going to start opening this up, and if I can open it all the way, I'm going to take at least one slice off the end just to see how things look. Okay, it needs to harden up a little bit more. There, to cut this one super thin, so hopefully I can get it into my frame. Looks pretty good though. You can definitely see the line. Don't know why this one's more translucent than this one is, but I can still smell the Kool-Aid every time I cut it. All right, this one is done. $500 subs? Not anymore. Looks pretty good to me. What do you think? I like it. I'm sticking with it. We have a soap play button. Let's get her situated right. There we go! Now, I've got about 10 of these that I'm going to throw up on the Warped Legacy Etsy page and let you guys buy if you would like them. The outside of this bar is the same formula as the Red Castle Naked bar, but we would never sell this at Red Castle because there's fake dye in here. We don't know what's in Kool-Aid. We know they use artificial dye. I think the box said red 40, but there's also a whole bunch of other stuff that we would not put in our soaps. And as you can see, the dye didn't really work all that great. I don't know if it just got too hot and it changed the color, or if it was just the lye changed it. I don't know. It's kind of ugly. It smells like fruit punch though. So if you want one of these Kool-Aid Tropical Punch play buttons, they will be at the Warped Legacy Etsy page. There's only 10-ish, and I'm never making them again. So, yeah. I plan on having these listed on Etsy when the video goes live. But they won't ship for at least a week, maybe more, because they need time to cure. But since these are 100% coconut oil, they cure really fast. So sometimes I can get away with just a week. And you guys rock. You keep pouring in. Last time I looked, we were at 715. So if you're new here and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and you could be 716. Like, comment, do all the things. I can't wait till we hit 1,000. And I'm not doing another one until I hit 1,000. Even though that's what I said last time. I'm actually going to do it this time. No new like button until we hit 1,000. Thank you for visiting Warped Legacy. Until next time, I'm Twan. Go define your legacy. I haven't worn contacts for a long time. I look weird. I got a pimple on my eyelid. You see it right there? Yeah, that's painful. I think it was the stress of this summer. I broke out a lot. It's starting to die down though.